Hi, friends! Today we learn the letter D. Are you ready? Let's go! D. D. Dog. D is for dog. Dog. D. D. Dinosaur. D is for dinosaur. Dinosaur. D. D. Duck. D is for duck. Duck. D. D. Donkey. D is for donkey. Donkey. D. D. Dolphin. D is for dolphin. Dolphin. D. D. Deer. D is for deer. Deer. Great job! You learned the letter D. See you next time on Deno's Academy. Bye-bye!